This video talks about problem solving. We as human beings are excellent problem solvers. We use different methods, however, to solve problems. One of the methods that we use is trial and error, which is not the most efficient. Another method that we use is called algorithm, which is basically a logical procedure of trying solutions till you hit the right one. Another method that we use is called heuristics, which is essentially a mental shortcut to find the solution quicker. Two kinds of heuristics are means-end analysis, where we analyze the main problem and break it down into smaller problems, and the other type of heuristics is working backwards, where we start with the goal and use it to suggest connections working backwards, which is used a lot in mathematical proof. Another method that we use that has a high chance of error is called intuition, which is basically relying on your instinct. Another method is fixation. In fixation, you could get stuck on a wrong approach, but what might happen may be insight, that aha moment, or let the problem incubate where insight comes after some time. The errors that we encounter are type 1 error, which is a false positive, and type 2 error, which is a false negative. When trying to understand the difference between type 1 and type 2 error, where type 1 error is false positive and type 2 error is false negative, think false positive or type 1 error as someone who was falsely diagnosed HIV positive. And for type 2 error, which is false negative, think someone who was diagnosed HIV positive but actually wasn't HIV positive.